The rapid advancement of technology is driving the growth of AI. This has become increasingly important in the APAC market in fostering innovation across various sectors. At Red Hat Summit in Denver, Colorado, Astro AWANI correspondent Farhana Sheikh explores the role of AI in transforming industries and the challenges for integrating the technology in this region. Please have a watch.
AI adoption in the APAC region is rapidly accelerating, transforming businesses and driving economic growth through innovative solutions and strategic implementations. Here at Red Hat Summit in Denver, Colorado, where experts, practitioners and thought leaders in the AI field convene to share their knowledge and insights on the latest AI development and technologies, we explore how much of a game changer AI can be for businesses and industries and what it takes for APAC to fast-track its growth in AI.
Like I can't really tell you whether these things have gotten like 100 times better or 1,000 times better in this last year, but it is like we are talking orders of magnitude of change. And so last year was a belief, and we had customers with successes, and we knew this could work. You can pick the point, whether it's 100x or it's 1,000x, it has gotten a lot more capable, it's gotten smaller. Things have moved from, I would say last year, like laptops weren't really a reality. I didn't have anyone coming up saying, I did instruction tuning on my MacBook last night and got a almost production result out of it. That just didn't exist. So I do think this will speed up. The incredible thing is, I don't even think we're at the plateau. Like, it is a constant accelerating area where there's a lot of software. Every single one of these layers will improve, get faster. So I don't know if it'll be another 100 or it'll be another 1,000 by next year, but that's been the only change, is that this is a lot more capable. Like, same principles of what it will do and how we can use it, much more capable this year.
While AI applications advances at an accelerated rate, Daniel Au, VP of Enterprise Sales for Red Hat APAC, highlights the need to address the lack of resources and skills in the field.
Of course, in the new areas of AI, in a similar fashion, there's a lack of available resources, for example, data scientists, as well as technical people who's able to build AI models, as well as build the entire life cycle from data extraction into building the large language model, and also building AI into what the business required. So it's about people, it's about competency as well as expertise. So when we talk about lack of resources, one is data scientists, as I mentioned. Secondly is also the pool of people who's able to build those applications, and also expertise to manage the infrastructure that those applications runs on. So we are working very closely with in different countries with the government as well as academia to build out those resources and offer courses to help labor force in the different countries to scale up for the skills into the future in these areas.
Meanwhile, Prem Pavan, VP for Southeast Asia and Korea for Red Hat, also highlights the company's efforts in improving AI skills in Malaysia.
So we have conferences, seminars, workshops. We work with the developer community within Malaysia, right? Providing, talking about technologies, providing courses, etc. So there's a lot of developer advocacy that we get involved with. We have the Red Hat Academy, which kind of does its work in terms of training professionals with Red Hat technologies, and not just Red Hat technology, but the open source way of doing things, right? A big part of that is that. Last year we signed an MOU with APU, Asia Pacific University in Malaysia. So last September, I think late 2023, we signed that MOU, and the perspective of that, the basic idea of that MOU was to kind of bridge the gap between academia and industry, right? With, of course, Red Hat, our technologies, and the open source. We are in the front of open source technology and the benefits that brings to the community.
With the Malaysian government showing interest and investment in AI advancement in Malaysia, Prem shares how Red Hat can contribute to Malaysia's ongoing efforts to accelerate the pace of AI usage in the country.
And so on. So there's huge focus coming in from the government perspective. I think the role that we see ourselves to play is to be able to complement all of these initiatives into the Malaysian market. What I'm seeing is obviously that there is a gap, as what we understand, from two perspectives. One is, how much can I trust this AI, right? How much can I trust the outcomes of AI? How much can I trust AI to not impact me negatively? Is it there to take away my job, as a simple example, right? I think these are factors that needs to be removed or replaced with education on a regular basis. We'll play our role on it. We see AI and humans complementing each other rather than, in any case, replacing each other. The open source element of AI and our playing with the whole entire ecosystem to bring that to the table will bring in more confidence as well, as I believe, not just in the Malaysian market, but across the region as well. Our intention would be to work with specific industries and the government. That's what we have think. Our top 3 or 4 areas that we have been engaging with in the Malaysian market has been financial services, telco, and government, right? These are the 3 key areas. So we'll continue to engage in that particular space and bring on our regular offerings, but also AI-based offerings.
Prem also shared what to expect for AI growth in the APAC region, including Southeast Asia.
First thing is that technology is moving at a much faster pace now than ever before, which means that what used to take 12 months or two years to create huge change and impact in the industry or in society, that period is shortened significantly. It happens in a few months from concept to actually execution. So we are in this era where I think we're going to see things change very rapidly from this point onwards. Having said that, right, if you look at our markets in Southeast Asia and in Korea, let's take Malaysia again as an example over here. We have to look at the ground realities of where organizations are and where people are in terms of the systems and the maturity, etc. So I personally believe that the need to be able to kind of make the infrastructure piece of it more robust will continue to be a relevant conversation. The ability to be able to build applications and reduce time to market and get products and services out to the end customers or the citizens will continue to be relevant, right? And AI will play its complementary role in this particular mix. So to me, I feel that over the next few months, it is about finding some small and valuable use cases where that's what we would focus on to complement a very big picture of trying to make the infrastructure and the application landscape more robust. So that's how I see Red Hat playing a role in both Malaysia as well as Southeast Asia.